Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see 10 good thoughts. First one, dream big. Second thought, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Third one, you are unique and special. You are unique and special. Fourth one, every day is a new adventure. Every day is a new adventure. Fifth one, success is the sum of small efforts. Success is the sum of small efforts. Sixth one, focus on your goal. Focus on your goal. Seventh one, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Eighth one, never give up. Never give up. Ninth one, eat healthy, stay healthy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. So last one, good thoughts, good life. Good thoughts, good life. Thank you.